everyone and welcome. So, what do you say when you don't know what to say? Have you ever needed just one moment before answering in Romanian? Well, that little pause right there is exactly what today's lesson is all about. Hesitation phrases or expressions which we often use when we need a little bit of time while thinking or speaking, and they're especially helpful in language learning when you need a moment to organize your thoughts before you start talking. So let's go through some common hesitation phrases in Romanian. Just a quick note before we start, the phrases I'm about to show you are mostly informal, which means you can use them with friends and family. Also keep in mind that some of these phrases are considered to be colloquial fillers, so it's best to use them in moderation. Okay, let's begin. You can use the following phrases when you need a moment before answering. Lasă-mă să mă gândesc o clipă. Lasă-mă să mă gândesc o clipă. E o întrebare grea. Să mă gândesc puțin. Să mă gândesc puțin. Cred că da. Lasă-mă o secundă. Lasă-mă o secundă. Mă mai gândesc. The following phrases may be helpful when you want to briefly pause the conversation so you can think before answering. Așteaptă puțin. Așteaptă puțin. Cred că știu răspunsul. Un moment, te rog. Un moment, te rog. Mă gândesc. Numai o clipă, te rog. Numai o clipă, te rog. Încerc să-mi amintesc. When you know roughly what you want to say but need to find the words, the following phrases can be useful. Îmi stă pe limbă. Îmi stă pe limbă, dar nu-mi vine acum. Cum se spune? Cum se spune în română? Nu știu cuvântul. Cum să-ți explic? Cum să-ți explic? Nu e ușor. The phrases that follow help you begin answering while still thinking. Ideea e că nu avem suficient timp. Bună întrebare. Bună întrebare. Trebuie să mă gândesc puțin. The following phrases help you stay connected while buying time. Știi ce zic? E greu, știi ce zic? Știi cum e? Știi cum e, nu e mereu simplu. Alrighty, that's about it for now. If you want more examples to practice with, you can check out the full version of this lesson on Patreon or here on YouTube for members. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and that you've learned something new. As always, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Okay, I'll see you next time. Be happy! Be happy! Ba, ba.